Good evening, children. Today we will discuss about very important system in our life. In this system is nothing but number system. Okay? Yes. Number system. Okay? Yes. An ancient period in an olden days of what once upon a time our elders sunrise before start from the work or initiated from after the sunrise start the work and then after the sunset finish the work, but how much work they are done they do not know. So, how can we calculate the measurement of the work? This about have to clarification. Suddenly one change will happen, that change is nothing but evolution. My dear children, what is evolution? Evolution means what? Change, growth and transformation. This is called evolution. In this change, here is a number system. In this number system are classified into 4 types. There are number 1 is decimal, clear? Decimal number system. Decimal number system. Number 2 is a binary number system. Okay. Number 3 octal number system. Okay. Number 4 hexadecimal number system. Are you clear? There are 4 types of number systems we will introduce in computer language, in mathematics also. This about, can I say, one by one deeply. Okay? This is about, can I say, clear explanation. Okay? Generally, decimal number system is as a human being using in this number system 75 rupees I gave to you, 95 rupees, 1000 rupees you gave to me or given to me, and etc. etc. So, this about how can we use in our life. Okay. This about, can I say now, decimal, what? Decimal number, what? Decimal number system. Okay. In this decimal number system is nothing but normally or generally as anywhere or everywhere as a human being using for this type of number system. That is why the base value of the system is, base value is what? 10 is nothing but 1 0. Clear? Yes. Sir, how sir? Okay. In this base value start from here, the base value start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or okay 0 to 9. So, totally 10 numbers. Okay, here example of this number system. Example of this number system. Okay, 75 base 10. Okay, example 1. Here example 2. Okay, 520 base 10. This type is a decimal number system, but this 75 rupees, or sorry, 75 is a number, that number is under the 10. I think so clear. Suppose example, okay, can I say now 7 is under the 10, clear? Why? Because 0 to 9 only 7 numbers are there. Same 5 also 0 to 9 only are there. That is why 75 is under the base value number 10. So, generally this is not mentioned means, suppose the base value is not mentioned means, this is called what? Decimal number system. Another one example also I will tell you. Okay, 110, 4, 2, 3. Okay, simply means the base value is 10, but it is hiding. So, it is hiding also. This is really what number system? This is a decimal number system. It should be mentioned or not mentioned also. Mentioned or not mentioned also. This is a what? Decimal number system. This is number 1. Now, can I say about second one? Okay, here second one is a what? Binary number system. Binary number system. In this binary number system, comparing in a decimal number system, kept in mind is not easy. How, sir? Here example I will tell you. In this decimal number system, number is 987654321. It is reversed or otherwise on 8426743221. 8426743221. Kept in mind is easy, but in this binary number system is entirely different from decimal number system. That is why the base value is okay, here 2. Sir, what, sir? We are writing base, but the base value start from okay 0, 1. So, 0 to 1 is nothing but 2. So, the base value is 2. So, base value start from 0, 1. I think so clear? Yes. Sir, here you write in example numbers, but here also can I write an example? Clear? 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. In that case 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. Okay, yes. This is called number system in a binary number system. Okay, whole decimal into binary. That is why simply this is called, simply we called bits. Sir, what is the expansion of bits? Is nothing but shortcut, you know, shortcuts, binary digits. Clear? Yes. So, BITS, simply BI and then CS, simply we called bits. So, what I am saying, in this base value of the binary number system is 2. That is why the base value start from 0 to 1. Here example 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. This is bits, expansion is nothing but binary digits. Okay, yes. This about we will learn. next class. Next means another number system, that is octal number system. About can I say now? Okay. Now we will discuss about octal number system. Is nothing but OCTAL, octal number system. In this octal number system, okay, octet is nothing but 8. Octet is nothing but 8. In this octal number system, generally, sir, the base value is 8, but start from 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, sir, here 473 base 8. Are you clear? Yes. And then another one example. Okay, 456 base 8. Okay, you listen. In this 4 and 7 and 3 is under the 8. Or Sanjay, listen. Here 4, 5, 6, this is also under the what? 8. So the base values under the system. This is octal number system. This about detailing. We will see repeated division by 8 method, and then conversion of this decimal into binary, binary into decimal, decimal into octal, octal into decimal. That time can I see clearly one by one, but now in this case the octal number system is octet means 8. That is why the base value is 8. Start from 0 to 7, and then the example is 473 base 8 or 456, okay, base 8. Now can I say about what? Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Are you clear? In this hexadecimal number system, this is fourth method. So the base value is 16. Here the base value is 16, but in this number system start from 0 to 15. Okay, in that case 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. Here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In that case 10 means A and then 11 means B. Okay. So C equal to 12, D equal to 13. In that case E equal to 1, 4 and then F equal to 15. Okay. So the base value is 16. In this initial value start from 0 to 15. Okay. Can I say now hexadecimal number example? Okay. A 7A B is base 16 or 468. Okay. C base 16. Okay. This method is a hexadecimal number system. Okay. In this conversion method, how can we conversion for decimal, binary and about clearly we will see now. First one is decimal and then this is what? Binary. Okay. Here octal, here hexadecimal. Okay, decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. In that case, 4 types of classifications are there in this system. Sir, in these 4 types of classification, we know this is first, this is second, this is third, and then fourth. How can we conversion of these methods? Okay, in this conversion of this method, here converting in the number system, first one is decimal into binary. Okay, this is first method, and then same decimal into octal, this is second method, and then decimal into hexadecimal, this is what, decimal into binary, decimal into octal, and then decimal into what, hexadecimal. Okay, this is conversion. Okay, next again we will say first one is decimal, convert decimal into binary. Number 2 has decimal into octal. Okay, number 3 here decimal into hexadecimal. This is decimal based conversion. So, 1 decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and then decimal to hexadecimal. Now, can I say about, you see, binary into decimal, same binary into octal, and then binary into hexadecimal. Okay, can I say about the fourth one is binary into decimal, and then again I will tell you binary into octal. Okay, here again I will tell you binary into hexadecimal. I think so, you clearly understand. This is base binary into decimal, binary into octal, binary into hexadecimal. Same thing who can say about seventh one is octal into decimal, octal into binary, octal into hexadecimal. Okay, so can I say about octal into what? Decimal. Octal into decimal. Next, you see octal into decimal, and then octal into binary. Okay, here octal into binary. Okay, now ninth one is octal into hexadecimal. Here octal into hexadecimal. Okay, this is totally 9 types of converts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the remaining, what are the types are? Okay, here you see decimal part over, binary parts over, octal parts over. The remaining is hexadecimal. That's why finally I will tell you hexadecimal into hexadecimal into decimal, and then hexadecimal into binary. Okay, and then hexadecimal into octal. So, totally 12 types of conversions happened in this numbers system. Okay, this is about can I see now how can we derive in summations? Can I explain now? Okay. Convert decimal into binary. How can we convert said? Can I explain now? Given a sum is 75 base 10. Convert 75 base 10 into binary. Okay, yes. In this conversion methods, we will find out the answer. Okay, this is first sum. Here 75 is a question. It should be divisible by 2. Why? Because binary means 2, but this number is decimal. Conversion is convert decimal into binary. Here 2. You think so? Listen clearly. 2 3s are 6, but here 1 is remaining. That's why 15. Okay. So 2 7s are 14. Remaining 1. Here 2. 18s are 36. Remaining is 1. Here also 2 9s are 18. Remaining is 0. Here 2 4s are 8. Remaining is 1. Here 2 2s are 4. Remaining is 0. Here also 2 1s are 2. Remaining is what? 0. In that case, we will find out the answer. My dear children, in that case all the binary will start from bottom to top. That is why we can create now clearly. We will find out the answer. 75 base 10 is equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. This is answer. Again once more you check. Here 1 0 0 1, okay, 0 1 1. Clear? Yes. This answer is correct. How can we judge that? So check method. We will introduce check method. In this check method, we will work out in this check method. How can we do that? We know the answer. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, we will solve it. First one is here 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Here also 2 to the power of 1. Here also 2 to the power of 2. Here also 1 into 2 to the power of 3. Here 0 into, okay, 0 into 2 to the power of 4. Here 0 into 2 to the power of 5. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 6. 1 by 1 can I say now? Here 1 into 2 to the power of 0. We know mathematically anything power 0 equal to 1. That is why 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. That is why 2 to the power equal to 2. So 1 into 2 nothing but 2. So 0 into 2 to the power of 2 is a 4. 0 into anything we know 0. So 1 into the power of 3, that is why 1 into 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. That is why 8. Here 0 into 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16 equal to 0. Again 0 into 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 32. Okay. Here this is called 0. Okay. 1 into 2 to the power of 6. So 1 into 2 to the power of 6 is nothing but 64. Here 64. Okay. We will adding everything. Clear? Yes. 1 by 1. You check now. Here 64 and then what? Here 1 plus 2, 3 and then 8. Okay. Here 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 15. 1 is the remaining 75. So, this question came now, clear the answer. Now, sir, here 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2 is nothing but 75 base 10. Okay, before correction we will check. Okay, so check method is verified, that's why answer is correct. Answer is correct. Answer is correct. We can identify the same. Here we learned convert into binary, convert decimal into binary. The check method, actually this method is, so here binary into, this method is binary into decimal we learn. Okay, okay, next and next. Okay, we will see another methods. Thank you.